Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have my very first unboxing of 2023. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. Today we have an unboxing. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Happy New Year, everybody! It is now 2023. As I'm filming this, it is January 1st. So I hope everybody had a wonderful 2022. I know 2022 was definitely very rough. A lot of things happened in 2022, just in general, with like politics and a bunch of other shit that I'm not gonna get into, but I just hope that you in general had a wonderful 2022, and I hope that you have an even better 2023. So yes, I do have an unboxing to share with you guys today, and as you can see, it's from Gucci. I do not own any bags. I just spoiled it. It's a bag. I don't own any bags from Gucci at all so far. I did own a Gucci wallet for some time and I got it back when I was in Italy, but I have since sold it and it was a great wallet. It wasn't bad or anything. I just put the money towards my Chanel card holder that I have now. Quick little disclaimer, I actually bought this bag at the very end of 2022, but I wanted to save it until 2023 to unbox it. I actually got it back in December, like the tail end of December, but she's been in this box, so it counts as 2023. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We'll open this baby up. I wanted to show you the Gucci Christmas holiday packaging as well. It's very cute. And the little ribbon, as you can see, it's blue and it has like a kind of like a metallic iridescent Gucci logo there. And then this bag is also pretty new as well. I think it came out within the past like couple of months. And I will say this was a little bit of an impulse purchase for me. I normally tend to wait on my bags and like kind of look at them and make sure that I really want them. But like the second I saw this bag, I just couldn't. I needed it at that same moment, so I bought it. Normally I would not recommend doing an impulse bag purchase like that, but this is my first impulse bag purchase, so I think it's okay. And then here is the packaging like this. I like Gucci's little boxes. I have already unboxed this once for TikTok, but I haven't worn it or anything yet, so it's not like a true unboxing, like a blind unboxing. I have seen the bag and everything, but I just haven't worn it yet. This right here is the cutest little bag. I'm obsessed with this, and this is part of their holiday collection, and this is what they give you. It's like a little shopper tote. This would be perfect if I lived in New York. I wish, but it's like a little shopper tote. Look how cute is that? You can only get it if you buy a Gucci bag during the holidays. I love all the star signs and the zodiac stuff on there because, as you know, I'm obsessed with stuff like that. I love it so much. And then in the box we have this little doodad right here. And this, I do believe, yes, it is the chain that comes with the bag. Such a cute little chain. Look at this. It's so pretty. And it attaches like this to like little hoops on the side of the bag. And now getting into the piece de resistance. Here she is. Here is the cute little Gucci dust bag. This is her, you guys. Let me attach the little chain so you can see her in all of her glory. Are you absolutely kidding me? Are you joking? This is the cutest bag I've ever seen in my entire life. So this is the Gucci Ophidia Small GG handbag. And like I said, I do believe it's pretty new. I think it's been out for maybe a couple of months now. But here is what the front looks like. And it's got the canvas GG logo on it. And then on the back, it is just plain like that, but it comes with this adorable little charm, and on one side it has the GG, and then on the other side it has like a little bee. So cute. Here's the pull tab to open up the bag, and we've got stuffing in there. And this bag also, this is the reason why I went with this one in particular and not another one that I'll tell you about here in a moment. But you guys, this also comes with a crossbody strap. When I realized that, I was like, oh my God, absolutely. Are you kidding me? Yes, please. And you can wear it so many ways. And then here's what the inside looks like. These are just like the receipts and all of the paperwork and stuff. But here is the inside again. It's like a coated kind of maybe like leather or something. I don't actually know what it is on the inside, but it's the Supreme print. And then it has these two like thick pieces of leather right here that attach, and then it has these two clasps, I guess, that rotate. So it doesn't matter which way you kind of put this on. It will always be even. And then it is adjustable. It's just an adjustable one. You can make it short or long. You can wear a crossbody. You can wear it on your shoulder. Here is what she looks like with the shoulder strap. Then you can just put this under your shoulder. Are you kidding? Look how cute. Are you? This is, I'm unwell. This is so cute. And then let me take this off so you can see what she looks like with the crossbody strap. I think I will tend to wear this one more with the crossbody strap just to keep it more casual. The gold chain strap does make it a bit more formal-ish, and this bag already has a lot of gold on it, so if I wore that chain strap everywhere, I feel like I would look a little bit out of place. But yeah, here's what she looks like with the crossbody strap. I think right now it's kind of just set to medium. I haven't really adjusted it yet. And then let me show you what it looks like on. Okay, so here's what it looks like on currently. And yeah, it's actually sitting at like a perfect crossbody height as of right now. This would actually be a perfect for me and the way that I want to wear it. It's not too low, it's not, well, I like mine pretty, like up pretty high, but it's not too high. This would be exactly the way that I would wear it if I was wearing a crossbody. You have this pull tab right here, which is really freaking long. I don't know why they made it so long, but yeah, it's like the perfect height to get in and out of crossbody. Look at that. And then the little charm is also removable. It has its own little clasp, as you can see that there. But yeah, you could do this. You could sling it on the back. You could, let me see if this height right here is good for, it's a little long for shoulder wearing. You could adjust this to wear on your shoulder with this strap, but I think I'm gonna wear it more crossbody like this. So cute. And also I wanted to show you what it looks like putting it on your shoulder like this with the chain strap. You're just popping to the store. You're just going to run some errands. Are you kidding? This is so cute. And then if you don't want it to be like super flashy in the front and have like all the gold and everything showing, you can turn it around to the back and just wear it like this. So like it's very minimal. This is very casual, even with the gold strap. If you wear it backwards, it just makes it more casual. Now I'm gonna go into what fits in this bag just so you can kind of get a feel for it. If you are, you know, looking at this bag again, there's not much on this bag. Like I wasn't able to find many reviews or anything like that, I guess because it's so new. I don't know. So I've got my phone and I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. She just goes in there, no problem. I've got my sunglasses right here. I'm just gonna put them in like a little microfiber pouch. And yep, they just go in there, no problem either. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah, no problem. I've got my card holder right here, and she can just kind of, oh man, that's a game changer. I didn't know that. You can stand these up. Like it fits to where you can literally stand it upwards without having to have it on its side. It can stand up. That's a game changer. Oh my God. I've got some gum right here. I didn't know it could do that. So the gum fits in there. I've got my hand sanitizer right here, and I'll just kind of stand it up. I can't believe all this stuff just stands up in here. that is insane. I've got a Dior lipstick right here that I just carry with me everywhere. And then I've actually got this. This is new. This is by Cadence. I got one of their little traveling to go thingies. I love this little blue color. It was so cute, and the top magnetizes. But I've got my headache medicine in there because I do tend to get, I don't get them very often, but I do get headaches, and normally if I do get them, they're kind of bad, so like I need to take the headache medicine with me. I mean that's all that I would fit right now. That's all I have with me right now. You could fit probably like a travel fragrance in here. You could fit a bunch of other stuff in here as well. Like, you know, there's still room. I don't like to stuff my bags, but there is still plenty of room in there for you to fit other stuff. But that's just crazy that you can fit. This bag really packs a punch. Like, it's a small bag, but it does not feel very small. Like, it actually fits a lot of stuff. That's insane. Let me just talk about this really quick. The one that I was looking at in the beginning was the exact same bag, but it did not come with the crossbody strap, but it only came with a adjustable, non-removable leather strap. And that one is a good amount cheaper. But I saw this one and it comes with the gold shoulder strap and the crossbody strap. And I was just like, I couldn't pass it up. This is more my style. I love gold. I'm so obsessed with it. I cannot wait to wear this every single day. I have a feeling this is going to become my new everyday bag because it's just so casual. Look how cute it is. And then, oh, I also did order a separate leather strap because sometimes I feel like wearing this to go to like Target is a little too much. So I ordered another strap from Etsy that is just a brown leather strap, and it's got the same kind of clasps like this that you hook it onto, and I'm just gonna wear that whenever I'm going somewhere that is like super duper casual, like Target or Kroger or whatever. Then I'm gonna swap out this one for the regular leather strap. So that'll be so good. But anyways, you guys, that's been my unboxing of the brand new Gucci GG Small video bag. I believe that's what it's called. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this little baby, the newest member to the family. I'm so obsessed with her and I just love her so much. She's the cutest thing that I've ever seen. Would you rock this bag? Is it too small for you? Is it too big for you? Let me know if you like this bag, dislike this bag, your reasons why. Anything. Just leave me a comment telling me below. Tell me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body.